Welcome to the Maintenance Feature Walkthrough. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and manage your maintenance reminders. To add a new reminder, select Maintenance from the top toolbar. Then click the orange Add New Reminder button on the top right corner of your screen. Next, choose the tracker group and the specific tracker for which you'd like to set a reminder. Once your tracker is selected, pick the service type and the reminder type. This is whether it's based on mileage or engine hours. Enter or edit your current odometer reading, set the reminder interval, and specify the number of miles until the next service. You can also set the timing for when you'd like the reminder. Enter the email address where you'd like to receive the reminder notifications. To add multiple emails, simply click the plus icon. Once everything is set up, click Save. Your new reminder will now appear in your active maintenance reminders list. If you need to make any changes, click the edit pencil next to the reminder you'd like to modify. To delete a reminder, simply select the trash bin icon to the right of the reminder. If you've completed the maintenance, click the orange Complete button next to the reminder. Once marked as complete, the reminder will move to your Maintenance History tab. You can also edit or delete any reminders directly from the Maintenance History section. And that's it! You've now learned how to add, complete, edit, and delete maintenance reminders.